of white around you, right, falling from the sky.
Yeah, it's blowing now. I mean, we've been noticing the winds coming in at around 15, 20 miles an hour on average. So not only is it cold, the winds are picking up, the snow continues, it's light to moderate, and at times it picks up as those bands pivot in. Lynette was showing you Maryland's most powerful weather radar. Those bands continuing during the course of the afternoon hours. All right, I want to show you this storm because it's a very impressive looking storm on our Storm View HD. We're talking about a jet stream coming out of the Gulf of Mexico, and what's so interesting about it is the winds aloft around 10,000 feet up is somewhere in the ballpark of 200 miles per hour. That is not only a lot of energy, but it's also transporting a lot of juice up from the south into the cold Arctic air. Look at future weather together. This is a snow event that's going to continue through the 3 o'clock hour into 4 or 5 o'clock, and by ABC2 News at 6 o'clock in focus, we're talking about the end. There's still some moderate snow out towards the eastern shore, but an end for a good chunk of the ABC2 viewing area. By the way, tonight gets fantastically cold. Overnight temperatures into Friday morning, single digits. Storm headlines, moderate snow now through 4 o'clock. Look, you're going to still see some light snow around here around 8 o'clock, but most of that south and east of the city. And what we have right now on the ground, tack on an additional 3 to as much as 6 inches. That's going to take us right to our forecast we had on Tuesday morning of 6 to 9 inches. We are the most accurate here in the Baltimore area. Records, you bet. 13 is the record low back in 1901. We're going to break that record. ABC2's forecasting 9 degrees above zero. Keep this in mind. Should be around 30 for an overnight low. So you do the quick math. That's an unbelievable record that's going to go down. It's March, and we are still achieving single-digit temperatures in the Baltimore area. This is a storm you have to be careful with. The slushy roads are going to stay slushed up, and guess what? They're all going to ice up. So, kids, we might be talking about a lot of 2-hour delays tomorrow. We'll talk more about your forecast inside Maryland's most accurate 7-day forecast. That's coming up in just a little bit. Lauren?
As the snow does continue to fall, more accidents.